Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your TikTok shop setup for faster sales, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging in to your TikTok account. Navigate to the TikTok shop section from your profile. Review your current shop setup for any outdated information. Check your product listings for clarity and accuracy. Ensure that all product descriptions are engaging and informative. Update product images to high quality, eye-catching visuals. Set competitive pricing for your products. Add or revise any relevant keywords or tags to improve searchability. Examine your shipping options and update them if necessary. Enable express shipping options to attract more buyers. Review your promotional strategies and adjust them for current trends. Consider running a TikTok ad campaign to increase visibility. Utilize TikTok's analytics tools to track your shop's performance. Identify which products are performing well and which aren't. Focus your marketing efforts on your best-selling items. Engage with your audience through comments and direct messages. Create interactive content related to your products. Encourage user-generated content to build trust and community. Regularly update your shop based on customer feedback. Stay current with TikTok trends and adapt your strategy accordingly. Utilize collaborations with influencers to reach a broader audience. Explore TikTok's shopping features, like product tags in videos. Monitor your progress and make continuous adjustments. Revisit your shop setup periodically to ensure ongoing effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.